ever been blocked from accessing a Chrome extension because it's not in the Chrome Web Store? Today, I'm going to show you how to manually install a Chrome extension from a zip file, giving you access to extensions outside the typical download channels. First, click the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Then, hover over More Tools in the menu. In the submenu that appears, click on Extensions. This will open the Chrome Extensions Management page. Now, in the top right corner of the Extensions page, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Developer Mode. Make sure you turn on Developer Mode. Next, locate the zip file containing your Chrome extension and zip this file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it. The unzipped folder should contain files like a manifestation file. Back on the Chrome Extensions page, look for the button that says Load Unpacked. Click this button. A file selection dialog box will appear. Navigate to the unzipped extension folder you extracted earlier and select this folder. Chrome will now load the extension from the selected folder. You should see the extension listed on your extensions page, and it should be enabled. And that's it. The extension is now installed and should be working. You should see its icon in the Chrome toolbar when applicable. Now you can use extensions from outside of the Chrome Web Store. Thanks for watching.